Hi guys, welcome to Bite Size Excel. In today's video, we're just going to take a quick look at dividing data and then formatting the results that come out. So if we look at this example table, we've got population and area. We want to work out population per kilometre squared. So in order to do this, we want to divide your population figure and divide it by your kilometre squared, which will come out with your result. And we want to do this for each region. And as per earlier videos, you can just grab your bottom corner, drag it down, and your formula will copy down in each cell. Now, as you can see, we've obviously, the results come out in general formatting. It's got lots of decimal places, not particularly easy to read. So we want to change the formatting on this. So if we select our cells, how we do this is we come up here to the number section of the spreadsheet. What we do is we click the drop down list. There's lots of different ways to format it. If you want to do something a little bit more detailed, click on more numbered formats. And for example, we want this one formatted as a number. We only want one decimal place, and where things are greater than 1,000, we want the little comma separator. And just click OK, and there your data is a lot easier to read. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this useful, and as always, please like and subscribe.